Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate using dynamic management views, or DMVs. SQL Server 2005 has over 80 new dynamic management views, DMVs, which are divided into groups from the server level down to the database level. All DMVs and functions exist in the sys schema. They follow the naming convention, the DM underscore star. The DMV categories have been named to ease of browsing. Just helps us view some of our programs within SQL Server 2005, like our databases, almost anything that we specify, we can have a better view. Now there's about 12 DMV categories. In out related DMVs and function, database mirroring related DMVs, replication related DMVs. There's a lot to go through. So now we're going to consider some more common DMVs. What we're going to do, we're going to use the sys.dm.execute sessions list. It's going to help for one row for every connection session in the SQL Server. Now we got to remember that all DMV or function references need to be qualified with the sys schema, and you'll be seeing me do that, the sysdm executable command line. So our first step, we need to do a new query. Let this load up. My computer ever likes this. Let's try again. There we go. Maybe we have two. No, just one. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I've had to work with this a few times. We're going to select, and this is saying, hey, where we're getting all this from. So we want a session ID. Then once we get this going, we'll have pretty much a little GUI going ahead. We'll go status, see the information. Now we're going to be to view each connection is actually doing. We're going to use the sysdm executable. We'll be doing that real soon. It's going to be from where we're getting it from. I know I'm sounding like I'm repeating myself, but you'll see exactly what I'm talking about once I get the sysdm going. We got to get the database, the ID of it. Then we're going to go from, and this is the sys, what I was talking about. We got it in red, so we should be able to, it looks like it's doing good. And then we'll just do where we got it from. Where are we viewing it from? Okay, let us see if it executes. Okay, our session ID, that's what we got right here. We're selecting our status, it's running. The SQL handle, almost looks like a MAC address. The database ID, and what we have right here. And this is the executable request. So we got this. Let's see, one row is affected, as you can see, and just gives you a little bit of information about what your server or your database, just depending on some more information, and seeing if it's running, session ID, and just general information. And there's different more select handles that we can actually add to it depending on what we want. Let's see if we can add a little extra. Let's see. Let's see if we can do client net address. So I haven't messed with this one yet. Underscore. What if that's going to give me... Ah, no, huh? There we go. Client net address. See, we just got some more information, and just adding a little bit more to this can actually get some more information. And there's a whole list, and as I said, there's almost over 80 little views or informations that we can have, and it's very handy if you have some issues with a problem within SQL Server 2005. Well, this actually concludes my demonstration on common DMVs. You can see our little views, what we can do right here, and there is a whole list of information on the web about more views. I don't want to do all 80 of them and demonstrate what each and every one does, so that's probably some good information about that. Alright, well, this concludes this demonstration on common DMVs. Thank you and have a great day.